Let me ask you something personal but important. Have your periods ever come late, early, or skipped a month entirely? And you wondered if something might be wrong? You're not alone. Irregular periods are common, but not always normal. Hi, and welcome to Clarivive MedInsight, to learn differently. Today, we're diving into what irregular periods really mean, when it's okay, and when it might be a signal from your body to pay attention. Let's break it all down, clearly and compassionately. First, let's define what irregular actually means. A normal menstrual cycle usually falls between 21 to 35 days from the first day of one period to the next. So if your period comes too early, less than 21 days, comes too late, more than 35 days, skips completely for a month or more, or varies wildly month to month, that's considered irregular. Now, just having one strange cycle doesn't mean something is wrong. But consistent irregularity? That's worth understanding. Irregular periods can be caused by many things, and not all of them are dangerous. Some of the most common reasons include stress. Yes, mental stress can mess with your hormones. Weight changes, rapid gain or loss can disrupt ovulation. Over-exercising, especially common in athletes or intense fitness routines. Thyroid disorders. Both overactive and underactive thyroids affect your cycle. Birth control changes. Starting, stopping, or switching methods. Teenage years or perimenopause. Natural hormone fluctuations. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. More on this in our next video. It's your body's way of telling you something's shifted, physically or hormonally. Okay, here's the part many people ask. When is an irregular period actually a problem? So when we need to see the doctor if notice. 1. 3 or more skipped periods and you're not pregnant. 2. Very heavy bleeding lasting longer than 7 days. 3. Bleeding or spotting in between period cycles. 4. Painful cramping that disrupts daily life. 5. Your periods suddenly stop or change dramatically. 6. These could point to underlying issues like hormone imbalances. 7. PCOS. 8. Fibroids. 9. Thyroid disorders. One of the most powerful things you can do is track your cycle. Use a journal or a free app like 1. Flow. 2. Clue. 3. My calendar. Now what we need to track. 1. Start and end dates. 2. Flow level, light, medium, heavy. 3. Cramping or PMS. 4. Mood and sleep. This gives you and your doctor a clear picture of your cycle and helps detect patterns that could indicate something deeper. Let's talk solutions, natural ones. These habits can help regulate your cycle over time. 1. Manage stress. Mindfulness, yoga, deep breathing. 2. Eat hormone-supportive foods, healthy fats, leafy greens, protein, and seeds. 3. Avoid extreme diets. 4. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 5. Gentle movement like walking or stretching. 6. Maintain a healthy weight for your body. These habits don't fix everything, but they support the systems that regulate your cycle, such as to your hypothalamus, pituitary, and ovaries. Irregular periods can feel confusing, frustrating, even scary at times. But they're also a message from your body to you. Paying attention now can help prevent larger issues later. And remember, you don't have to figure it out alone. In our next video, we'll talk about a major cause of irregular periods that often goes undiagnosed: PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, and the symptoms most women miss. So if you've ever wondered if your irregular cycles might mean something more, you won't want to miss it. Subscribe to Clarivive MedInsight and join us tomorrow. You deserve to understand your body, and we're here to help. Thanks for watching.